Yes, I'm back. And today I would like to talk about the governor from North Carolina, Governor Pat McCrory, whatever that little pussy nigga's name is. Yeah, y'all need to get his racist ass out of there. Alright, this motherfucker just passed. I believe it was last Monday. Passed the law stating that any type of camera, I'm talking about the body cam, the dash cam, whatever camera the police have that records while they're supposed to be doing their jobs, will no longer be able to be viewed by the public. Yeah, that's so they can keep lynching black people with impunity. Okay, if you don't see that, then I mean you just lost in the sauce. I mean, all this shit going around the world lately, cops killing, cops being killed, while y'all motherfuckers is worried about VH1 dumb shit, material things, and catching goofy ass Pokemons. They are creating laws as we go so they can keep killing us. Like, this is clearly a law and for them to keep killing you. Y'all worried about Trump and all that bullshit? Stop worrying about that and worried about your state governor. Because it's corrupt motherfuckers like this motherfucker right here. And I'm going to drop the link in the description so y'all can read the article that you need to be worried about. You can just look at this motherfucker's face and tell he don't like niggas. Let me read y'all this. It says recordings from law enforcement body and dashboard cams will no longer be considered public records in North Carolina under a law signed Monday by Governor Pat McCrory. Civil libertarians and social justice activists said the law will make it more difficult to hold officers accountable. Bystander videos posted online have fueled protests nationwide after last week's killings of black men by white officers, should say white soldiers, in Louisiana and Minnesota, and the attack by a black sniper, allegedly, that killed 5 officers at a march in Dallas. Police videos of these crime scenes have yet to be made public. The law clarifies that body and dash camera records cannot be kept confidential as a part of an officer's personal file, a practice that has kept some images from being scrutinized indefinitely. If you hold a piece of film for a long period of time, you can completely lose the trust of the individuals. The governor said, on the other hand, we've learned if you immediately release a video, sometimes it distorts the entire picture, which is extremely unfair to our law enforcement. Alright, hold on. Let me stop right there. He's talking about so basically you're saying, since that chick and the man who owned the store in Louisiana where Arthur Stern was executed by 2 race soldiers, you saying that can ruin their image? I don't give a fuck about their image. What about the families who lost a loved one? So, man, fuck your image. Talking about some image and shit. You shouldn't have race soldiers in the force. Bitch ass. Telling y'all, North Carolina, y'all need to get it together, man. Y'all gotta vote him out of there, man, cause I was just listening to Brother Tariq last night, who made Hidden Colors. If you haven't bought or checked that out, you need to. It's a good piece of information that everyone needs to know about. And he's saying when he was in North Carolina, I think he was in Charlotte, he said they was on some old school racist shit down there. He said he went to some venue. I think he was going to give a lecture, I believe. I could be wrong. He was somewhere with his people, you know what I'm saying, who record him and help him do his work. And one of the folks he was with had a white T-shirt on. And as they're trying to enter the facility, the person tells them, "Oh, well, he's violating dress code. He can't come in here with a white T-shirt on." And Tariq takes a peek in the goddamn room, and he sees all these Europeans walking around with white T-shirts on. He's like, "Oh, okay, I see how it is down here." Yeah, like, shit, y'all need to get the fuck out of there, man. Or you vote some motherfuckers out because you can tell they probably routinely lynch niggas down there and keep it on the hush hush. My black ass, I definitely couldn't lay down there. Yeah, man, y'all need to vote this man out, man. He looks like a corrupt SOB. Saying he just looks like he just is full of white supremacy, man. Motherfuckers like here, I just want to walk up and slap the fuck out of him. Hate motherfuckers like this. Oh yeah, and another thing about it, I don't mean to get off topic, but another thing about Brother Tariq, they're trying to link him to the shooter who killed those Louisiana cops a couple days ago, just because the shooter, followed Tariq on Twitter and favored or retweeted Tariq. Tariq didn't know this motherfucker from a can of paint. Didn't even follow him back. But yet they're trying to link him and saying, oh, you radicalized him. You need to denounce him. Well, hold up, motherfucker. Because you didn't tell Trump you need to denounce David Duke, a known white supremacist. He got ties to the Klan. And what about Trump's daddy? Trump's daddy was a former Klansman. You can look all this shit up. This is public documents that you can, like, in the words of J-Rock, check your Googles. You can definitely look that up. You didn't tell Hillary to denounce her, what did she call him, a mentor? A known Klansman? He was a Cyclops Klansman. You didn't tell the dude who made that one movie about Sandy Hook. I think it was that Batman movie or something. It was some movie, I forget. It had the Joker in it. And that movie inspired the Colorado shooter. He even called him up. The man who made the movie saying, yo, how'd you do that? That inspired me. And after that, months later, he did the alleged Colorado shooting. You didn't tell the creator of that movie to denounce him. So, y'all got a lot of denouncing to do, white supremacy, before you tell any other motherfucker to denounce a motherfucker. So, we don't want to hear that shit. Until y'all start denouncing motherfuckers. Then maybe he can denounce him. And really, he don't have to denounce shit. Like he said, denounce these nuts. He ain't know him. Never had a conversation with the man. The man clearly said in the video before he did the alleged shootings of the cops 2 days ago that he has no ties to shit. He thought his own thoughts. He did it on his own. So, you see how white supremacists in the media try to always twist shit around? That's why we need to be careful. And we really need to study the media and look at certain words they use. Because they always try to twist shit around when it comes to people of color. Try to tie motherfuckers to different organizations. Like, oh, he had ties to ISIS and the Nation of Islam. All that bullshit. Shut up. Always lying, man. And y'all just eat. Not all y'all, but a lot of y'all watch the news. Y'all just be eating that bullshit up. Shh. But I digress, man. Back on topic. We need to get that piece of shit governor out of North Carolina. People in North Carolina, if you're listening to this video, vote him out. Because him passing this law, you're going to keep seeing more hashtags and justice for another man of melon. So, tell me what y'all think in the comments. Like, subscribe, share the video.